This is the Hyper 5-gallon heated extractor, single cord, and I want to walk you through some of the standout features that make this truly unique. First, take a look at the handle design. Its shape isn't just different, it's functional. Because of this design, leaning the machine back to go up curbs or stairs is effortless. The balance point sits perfectly over the wheels, exactly where you want it. Up top, you'll notice the large, clear lid. This makes it incredibly easy to see the dirty water coming in, and clients love seeing that visual proof of cleaning power. It also helps you monitor foam levels and water fill level at a glance. The lid removes easily using these simple clips, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. We'll show that in just a moment. Filling and dumping the unit couldn't be easier. The solution tank features a rubber cover that keeps debris from falling inside, and the wide opening allows you to fill it easily using a bucket. The vacuum tank empties quickly through this convenient drain hose. Now let's take a look at the back of the unit. You'll see 3 switches mounted on top, so they're easy to see and easy to reach. No bending down required. The switches operate in sequential order: 1, 2, 3. We also have a stainless steel quick disconnect and a built-in hose wrap to keep everything neat and organized. Okay, let's talk about maintenance and just how easy it is. First, we'll remove this elbow. Then we undo the clips and lift off the lid. From here, the filter is fully accessible and can be easily cleaned or replaced. Cleaning the solution tank filter is just as simple. Remove the filter, clean it, and reinstall. Now we'll remove these 4 screws. With the panel off, all major components are accessible. The vacuum motor, switches, wiring, heater, plumbing, and our pump. Now to reinstall the plate, simply attach the male quick disconnect to the female quick disconnect, slide it back into position, and secure it with the screws. Let's take a look at the accessories that come with the unit. You get a 17-foot vacuum hose, a 17-foot solution hose, stainless steel quick disconnects, 3 Velcro straps, and an upgraded die-cast upholstery tool. This upholstery tool is made from die-cast aluminum, making it lighter than plastic while being significantly more durable. It features a stainless steel valve with a high-pressure stem and built-in swivel hose, a clear viewing window, and a Teflon glide. The hose is versatile. It connects easily to the upholstery tool, or it can be used with a floor wand. So those are some of the great features and easy maintenance highlights of the Hyper 5 5-gallon extractor.